Good morning, everybody. This is Mike Lung over at Allendale Trading Floor. It's Wednesday, June 24th, and a quiet hush has fallen over these ag markets. There's not a lot of movement here, as there hasn't been for a long while. You had a nice spurt yesterday of a little bit of volatility due to the comments and backtrack of comments on Navarro. But as of today, you have everyone waiting to see what the analyst estimates are going to be saying for next week's planted acres report and what we're going to be looking to price in. Right now you have the talk that maybe we're going to be decreasing a little bit. You got some places saying that we're not, so it's still just like the other reports. A lot of unknown following this report, and hopefully this is the one that gives us some direction, gives us some movement in this market, because over the last 2 months it's been an incredibly quiet market. So we'll be watching to see what those have to say. There has been some cash sales for cattle at about the board price, so those look like they have matched. Still trading in that range here, from higher 97s, lower 96, 95, in between there. Not a lot of movement here in this cattle market. So we'll be seeing for a lot of breakouts. We'll be seeing what we have in store, but we are at a historically low time for volatility and not a lot of interest in these ag markets. So we'll be watching all that. On the energy and equity side of things, a lot of fear about uptick in coronavirus cases and what that will mean for us if we're going to go the way of China and look to be shutting back down or not. So we'll be monitoring all these, always watching headlines. But today for Allendale, this is Mike Lung. You guys have a great one.
Allendale Market Talk Podcast, a fresh take in the podcast world, giving you insight from a trader's perspective, allowing you to have access from your planter, combine, or anything in between. Subscribe to Allendale Market Talk Podcast today.